Assalamu alaikum students. Today's lecture is about modern age, and before this we have discussed middle age and dark age. As you know that in middle age, electromechanical computer introduced for computation of data, and before middle age, like in dark ages, uh, only mechanical or manual computer were available for computation of data. So mechanical moving parts, or you can say motions technology, was used to compute data in dark ages. Later on, in middle age, due to invention of electricity, electromechanical computer came in the world. So after that, in modern age, there was electronic switch was invented called vacuum tube, which made it possible for us to compute data electronically. So we discuss in next few slides. Modern age started 1942 presents. Uh, why modern age came? Just because of electronic computer. And why electronic computer? Because there was electronic switch like vacuum tube, which was introduced in around 1940, yeah, before 1940. And on the basis of vacuum tube, electronic computer was established, and these electronic computers used to perform calculation on electronic basis. There was no moving parts involved to compute data. Now only electronic function is used for computation device. As I told you, no moving part used for calculation. This age is further divided into 5 generations due to rapid development in technology. Because of electronic computation, now technology invention of technology pace is got faster, and due to that, modern age is further divided into 5 generations. This is the summary of modern age. In this, you can see first generation started 1940 or 45 to till 1956, and this first generations has those computer which is based on vacuum tube. So vacuum, what is vacuum tube? I'll discuss in next few slides. Later on, second generation came, and in this generation, transistor based computer introduced. So that transistor replaced the vacuum tube. What is transistor? What is vacuum tube? I'll discuss in detail in next few slides. So we'll discuss each generation one by one. Then third generations, 1964 to 1971, its duration. In this integrated circuit based computer came in the world, which were used to compute data. Later on, fourth generation introduced 1971 to 1981. In this generation, microprocessor invented for a small computer like microcomputer, laptop, later on tablets, and now in mobiles. So this microprocessor has made it possible to reduce size. Then fifth generation, we can say it started 1981, or you can say present to beyond. So this generation is still in this generation, various kind of computer has come, which are based on artificial intelligence, which works on learning basis. On the basis of learning, these computers take decisions. So what they are, we'll discuss in detail in fifth generations. Now move on next slide. Vacuum tube. What is vacuum tube? So we see in this slide. So due to invention of vacuum tube, electronic computer were built. So now devices can calculate or compute data electronically. No mechanical function was involved to perform for calculation purpose. So vacuum tube, we'll see in next slides what is vacuum. But I can tell you, before this modern age, like in middle age, we were used to perform electromechanical function for computation of data, and before that, mechanical function was used to perform computation of data. Move on next slide. This is the diagram of vacuum tube. You can see this. What is vacuum tube? Vacuum tube basically an electronic device or switch that control the flow of electron in a vacuum or space. Vacuum means space without gases. All spaces are evacuated. We call it evacuated space also. It is used as a switch, amplifier, or display screen. This vacuum tube has brought great change in the computer and also in other technology also. Due to this, cathode ray tube display screen was used for long periods, especially in televisions and later on computers. So we have used this technology just because of vacuum tube. Vacuum tube used as on or off switches. vacuum tube allowed the first computer to perform digital computation. As I told you, digital computation means it works on 0 and 1. So you know that binary numbers, which are 0 and 1, is used with vacuum tube. Like 1 means it is on state, means current is passing, and bulb on it could show light. And 0 means no current is passing, and considered it is in off state and bulb showing no light. Basic purpose of vacuum tube is to consume binary numbers and combination of different vacuum tubes showing on and off state, establish an instruction like 1 1 0 1 0 1, etc. Students, you can see that the purpose of remember, vacuum tube is like a switch. The main purpose is to control flow of current, and when current is flowing, it means there is a 1, means on state, and if there is no current is passing in the circuit, so it means 0, means off state. So basically, it controls the circuit in computer. It has some advantages: ability to operate at higher power, higher voltage, and higher operating temperature. So due to these abilities or benefits, vacuum tube was being used at that duration. Make it good for audio amplifier. Very few advantages, but there are many disadvantages. Higher power, high power consumption. So basically, this vacuum tube required a lot of energy to produce result. Needs heater supply that generate waste heat and yield lower efficiency. So it required a lot of heat. So that's why it consumed a lot of powers, but it produced lower efficiency. Glass tube were breakable, so it is made of glass. So that's why due to heat or maybe more power consumption, it get breakable. These tube like electric bulb produce a lot of heat, and the installation used to fuse frequently, taking up entire room. So its installation due to breakup, you can say, or its filament get fused. And due to a number of transistors being used, so it takes space as per entire rooms. Use following link to watch video for further understanding. So you can use watch video regarding vacuum tube. These two links are very good for vacuum tube video. Thank you so much. This is the end of lecture. Have a nice day.